welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but listen, we are not gonna do this today. We are not gonna do this today, okay? We are just gonna continue about our day, and we are gonna forget the fact that I've been missing. You know, we're not gonna mention it. No, we ain't gonna do it. We're just gonna go on like it ain't ever happened, okay? So today I put together this very simple, very beginner friendly hot girl summer makeup look. Listen, Meg Thee Stallion posted her definition of what a hot girl summer is, but I want to know, what is y'all definition of a hot girl summer? Like, what do you think a hot girl summer is? Go spam the comment sections and let me know what you think a hot girl summer is, because I want to know. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Brows after foundation is not my thing. Like, not my thing at all. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I tried to use the e.l.f. brow pencil, this one. And this is in the shade, it says neutral brown, but it looks gray. So I don't really care for it. So I actually went over it with the Revlon Color Stay brow pencil, this one in the shade dark brown. So being that it's summertime, I really don't feel like we need to pack on like a shitload of makeup, because it's already hot and you're gonna be sweating and what's not. So I don't see the need to be excessive when it comes to makeup. Y'all hear that? It's always some type of distraction when I try to film, like every freaking time. It's like I can't win. For highlight, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Olive. I really like this concealer. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that it dries down extremely fast. So you gotta work really fast. And I absolutely love the color of this concealer. To set my concealer, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent. Then I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush and I'm gonna push the setting powder in. To set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the NYX Stay Flat but Not Matte Powder Foundation. And I'm using another Real Technique brush. This is a blush brush, but I use it for powder. I'm gonna use a Tarte eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. I'm using a Morphe M330 brush, and I'm gonna use this Flesh Tone color right here. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go into this color right here to kind of give the eye a little bit of definition. I'm gonna mix these two shades together. This one and that one. I'm gonna mix those two shades. Yeah, that's more like it. I'm not gonna do any cream contour because why? I'm gonna try to use this new bronzer. It's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It looks like this. This is my first time using this bronzer. I don't know how I feel about it, but let's see. It smells good. It actually does kind of smell like butter. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Steve Laurent, the jelly highlighter. It looks like this. So pretty. And this is in the shade Prosecco, please. This is pretty. Okay. That's pretty. I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. Setting spray in the summertime is your friend, girl. And I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna pat that setting spray in. For my lips, I'm gonna use this plumping syrup from Hard Candy. It looks like this, and it doesn't really have a shade name. And that's it for the face. So now we're gonna move on to my hair. This hair is from SOBOMBHAIR on Instagram. I'm gonna leave all the information below in case you guys want to check it out. And listen, when I tell you, this hair is the bomb. Like, really, like, that's kind of crazy considering that it's from SOBOMBHAIR, but I absolutely love this hair. Like, it has exceeded any expectations that I have. This hair has absolutely no product in it. You hear me? No product at all. My flat iron, this is the Infinity Pro Flat Iron by Conair. I got this from Amazon. I'm in love with this flat iron. Look at this. No product, nothing. Just, oh, I love it. And my unit was made by Crown's Lab units. This unit is freaking amazing. She did a really good job on the unit, the cut, everything. I told her what I wanted and delivered. Like, yo, look at the, oh gosh. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'm loving it. Everything feels so freaking amazing. The makeup, the hair is like, oh, I feel great. Everything that I used on my face, like I told you guys, was either new to me or new to my channel. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, make sure to check out SOBOMBHAIR on Instagram. And if you're interested in getting a unit made, check out Crown's Lab. I'm gonna leave everything down below. Oh, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're here, you already know what I'm gonna say. So watch another video. See you guys next time. I love you guys.